This one got smacked dead center here in the back, so you want to use your old panel to pull off of if you need to.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, I'm out in the cold.
So here where all of the window urethane goes all the way around, they want epoxy primer on top of any of the bare metal. So I'm going to tape that off. Therefore, when I prime this, after it's all primed and done, I'll peel the tape off and then I could go back and epoxy where the window urethane goes. So this is the epoxy primer. I'm going to put it over all the bare metal where the window urethane goes. I have a Kia Soul here. This one got smacked dead center here in the back. It's getting a new rear body panel, which I have right here, and some repair work on the trunk floor. First I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab this. I'm going to pull all this old panel out. The reason for that is when this got stuffed and everything moved in, it could have moved some of the connecting panels, and if I don't pull off the old panel, whenever I cut it off, those other parts will still be shifted and I'll have a hard time fitting everything up. So you want to use your old panel to pull off of if you need to. So I'm going to pull all this out and then I'll cut this panel off. So I'm gonna put a little tension on this floor, put some pressure on it, and I'm gonna work a few of these spots out a little more. Just kind of fold it up a little bit in here.